Maintenance that pounces. Filter changes tend to be very quick, except clearing the area to have an adequate space to work. This emptying of the fridge took several minutes. The filter change itself took less than 10 seconds. Spoiler alert, the best part is left out of this video, putting the stuff back. There tends to be a small amount of water. It can be ignored. The preference here is to clean it up. It doesn't take but 3 seconds. Admittedly, leaks are not a concern. The filter has double O-rings. It's adequately protected from leaks. The air filter pops out and snaps back in. Very simple. Got to have another reminder in 6 months. A quick reset of the filter change reminder feature. Filling the jug took approximately 2 minutes. This is an important step. The first liters of water is not fit for consumption. The second time around, was the filter change absolutely necessary? The manufacturer did suggest that 200 gallons or 6 months, whichever come first. Reminds me of cars and oil changes. Was the filter actually messy? Did it have a lot of contaminants? Could the filter be used for another month or so? Looking forward to some comments on this one. Changing the filter went very well. Clear as the day. What's inside the filter? Is there a gooey, nasty buildup? The weight difference is not water, contaminants mostly. There are better ways of doing this, of that certainty. The conclusion, this is not the right tool for this job. Plastic shavings everywhere. Might as well be sawdust. Some observations. The plastic is thick, about a 1/4 inch or so. Seems the best way to open this is to cut the top. Then slide the cylinder out. Wasn't expected. Inside, the filter looks remarkably clean. No biological growth. Thanks for watching. The day is one.